Are you ready to push your departmental analytics to the next level? In this hands-on lab, you will learn how to use Oracle Autonomous Database and Oracle Analytics Cloud together.
Oracle Autonomous Database delivers a self-driven, self-securing, and self-repairing database service that can scale quickly to meet demands. It helps IT and businesses work together to meet the evolving needs of their businesses, and additionally support any key function of your organization.
Oracle Analytics Cloud is a scalable and secure public cloud service that provides you with a full set of capabilities to explore and perform collaborative analytics for you, your work group, and your enterprise. It empowers business analysts and consumers with a modern, AI-powered, self-service analytics capabilities for data preparation, visualization, enterprise reporting, augmented analytics, and natural language processing or generation.
The objective of this workshop is to show you how easy it is to provision your own instance, to connect Autonomous Database and Oracle Analytics Cloud, and to run a simple analysis. Enjoy the workshop.